From early mornings at the markets to a string of stores, this is the story of three pastry chefs.
I'm Tom, this is Flo, and together with our partner Remi down in Adelaide, we're Shadow Baking.
Tom Mitchell started with Zumbo.
Learned a lot, great chef to work for.
Then came Messina, 10 years of gelato, cakes, chocolate, and pushing the pastry envelope. Flo started at Messina, then moved to Melbourne and notched up time at places like
Dinner by Heston, Loon and Rockpool. Then I moved back to work at Messina for now 8 years.
Do you need subtitles for that?
Hey Tom, careful. In Shadow, we're 2 French and 1 Aussie. So tell them about me.
Remi is a chef who worked at Messina for probably 6 or 7 years. He headed up the creative department with Donato, one of the main owners of Messina.
After long hours at Messina, they signed up for more, a dream to build something of their own. It started small, weekend pop-ups at the cannery markets in Sydney.
So we're working out of the old Messina factory in Rosebery, and the cannery markets are right across the street.
The lines got longer, the buzz got louder, but it hasn't always been smooth sailing.
Flo drives the truck now because I crashed it once and I'm probably not the best driver for it. I load the truck because when Flo loads it, one time we lost the whole trolley, about 700 pastries.
Probably 1 or 2 trays buckled and just went all the way down and smashed all the other pastries. Everything went to the trash. We could not save anything. Not a great day.
3 years on, they still go back every month. It's become their testing ground.
If we have new pastries coming on the menu, we always take it to the cannery market first. It's a pretty good indication whether it'll be popular or not.
Now they're known for some of Sydney's best pastries. Coconut pandan brioche, iced Vovo pansouise, blueberry tarts, and more. Aussie nostalgia meets French technique.
I think a big part is we don't really take ourselves too seriously. We never really make what we don't want to eat.
And the name?
Back in the old factory in Rosebery, and we're listening to Liquid Swords by Jizza, and shadow boxing came on. We just thought that was kind of cool when we changed box to baking, and that was it, shadow baking.
Messina backed them from the start.
And in fact, they probably pushed this more than we pushed ourselves really in the beginning, especially Nick and Donato.
I think it's fantastic. You've got 3 lads who are completely passionate about what they do, and that passion has been with us for 11 years, so it's time to let them go and do what they need to do, and they're succeeding at it, so it's great to see.
Meanwhile, when we were there, Messina was rolling out their annual trifle. 2 teams, 1 kitchen, 1 goal. Or as Jizza says, I'm on a mission. A mission to make something delicious. This is shadow baking.